Hey, ninth graders. I hope you're doing well. Sorry I can't be there this week for you, but I'll just kind of give you a rundown as to what happened to me and what I want you to do. So, first of all, I just got out of the hospital today. Um, I tested positive for COVID on Sunday and just needed to go in and that type of thing. I received 3 days of treatment and I'm home now and hoping for the best. I should return next week, I believe, Wednesday or Thursday, one of those days. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you. As far as like what I want you guys to do in class the rest of the week is you should have been given a French Revolution final. And that final, I need you to make perfect. Like it's got to be just perfect. And make sure like you're doing your own. You're not like copying even drawings from other people because I'll find out. Um, if you can't find the slideshow, it's in week 7. It's all right there. If you have questions, I may be able to answer them. I may not. I've been kind of in and out lately. So uh, just so you know, finish that final. If you do happen to go super fast and you do finish that final, the next unit's going to be nationalism, and I will be putting an activity in that in the week 7 folder that says only complete if you're done with everything else. Okay. So good luck. Be well. I hope to see you soon.